Hey guys, let's do another work energy principle problem. How much work is required to stop an electron, mass 9.11 times 10 to the minus 31 kilograms, which is moving with the speed of 1.80 times 10 to the 6 meters per second? Okay, so this problem deals with the work energy theorem. Okay, so the work done on an object by a net force equals the change in kinetic energy of the object. Okay, so you can equate these two things together. Work is equal to delta EK, which is the final EK minus the initial. So whenever you see a problem where you're looking for work and you're given a speed, you should just already start thinking work kinetic energy theorem. Okay, and it really is as simple as it looks. You're just going to go ahead and start with W equals delta EK, which is equal to EK minus EK naught, final minus initial. Okay, so how much work is required to stop an electron? So it's moving initially at this speed. So this is your V1, or your V, rather, your initial V naught. And we're trying to stop the electron. So our final V is equal to 0. Okay, so we'll do 1/2 mv squared minus 1/2 mv naught squared. And we know that one of these is 0, V. That's 0, so 0 squared times anything, that whole thing disappears. Okay, and you're left with minus 1/2 mv naught squared. Okay, so minus 1/2 times the mass of the electron, 9.11 times 10 to the minus 31 kilograms, times v naught, 1.80 times 10 to the 6 meters per second. That gets squared. Make sure you don't forget that. And when you plug all this into your calculator, you are going to get negative 1.48 times 10 to the minus 18 joules. Okay, now, yes, your answer is negative, and we have 3 sig figs here because in the question, both numbers are given to 3 sig figs. Okay, so what does that mean for the number to be negative? Well, negative work just means that the object is slowing down. Okay, so remember that work just means force times distance, right? That's another way you can calculate it. So times cosine theta, right? Now theta is the angle between the distance and the force. Now if they're going in opposite directions, like one's going that way, one's going that way, theta is 180. And we know that the cosine of 180 is minus 1. Right, so it becomes negative. They're opposing each other. So negative work means object is slowing down. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to Physics in the Flesh so you never miss a video from me. Stay tuned tomorrow at 12 noon for video 103, Work Energy Principle 3.